Today I did 3 1-kilometer repeats. I got like 3:52 for my first one, then I did like probably 5 to 7 minutes of recovery in between each set. 3:52 for the first one. Next one was like 4:30. The next one was like 4:50, something like that. Been reading Vagabond and One Piece. And then obviously I drew Triple T, but I still haven't drawn since that, like my own characters. I need to do that. I need to lock in, bro. I've been playing freaking Roblox